Peel back gang, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now today I'm reviewing the Nike woven shorts, man. Now this is the third video I'm doing on the woven shorts, man. But guess what? I got new colors, I got new flavors, so I gotta do a new review, man. I gotta bring it to you, man. I gotta show y'all how I would style these Nike woven shorts. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back, man. Now I'm gonna actually unbag one pair. I got this pair right here. I got these from this pair from Dick's Paws, you feel me? But they were the only people that had this color, and I was looking for this color. So I'm gonna unbag these, and then I'm gonna show you the other colors that I am going to review and try on. So let me go ahead and slice it. Let me go ahead and get it a good old slice. See, now you gotta be careful because you don't want to actually slice the shorts. Okay, so we got a good slicer over there. Let's go ahead and pull these bad boys out. Let's go. All right, we got pack and slip. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you see it, man. Let's go ahead. We got the plastic bag. Open this joint up. Now just as a heads up, this color right here is called Light Dew. So if you're looking for this exact color, you can look up Light Dew. But here we go, man. We got the Nike woven shorts. I mean, clean. That's one word to describe these shorts. It's just clean, man. So look, here we go. On the left front at the bottom, we have the Nike embroidered in that white. It has that white thread in there. And the key about these shorts, man, is just that they're usually one color. Like, they do have different editions. They have city editions, which will have like a print or something like that. But I like these because they're usually one color. So that means you only have to match one color. With these type of shorts, you can go white tee and you're good. You can go white tee, white Air Forces, and you're good. You can go graphic t-shirt and you're good, because you really only have to hit on one of these colors. But let me get into the shorts a little bit more, man. You have your elastic waistband. You got your two drawstrings. Now in this, it's the exact same color. Usually they'll be the drawstrings will be white, which give you like a little bit of contrast. But in this case, we have that Light Dew in the drawstrings as well. We get that inner lining, that mesh lining right here, which gives you that versatility where if you want to wear these like to the lake or to the pool, you can do that. Now, I wouldn't call these swimming trunks, you feel me? I wouldn't call them swimming trunks, but if they do get wet, you'll still be all right, you feel me? You can go ahead and put these on without any type of worry like they're gonna get stained or nothing like that. So let me go ahead and go to the back. We have one pocket on the back, and like I said, this pocket right here, it has a little drainage hole right there, and that's basically so if you do get in the pool or you do get in some water, they won't stay in the fabric. It'll drain out pretty quickly. Now, this is another key for these. We have the mid-thigh. This is a mid-thigh cup, man. Standard fit mid-thigh. Let's see if we can get, there we go, mid-thigh, which is very important, man, because nowadays, I mean, you gotta go above the knee when it comes to the shorts, man. You gotta go above the knee. I mean, we're not doing short shorts, but these are pretty short though, you feel me? We have about a 5.5 inch to 6 inch inseam, depending on what size you get. If you get a medium, I believe the inseam is 5.5 inches, which is good for me. It's above the knee, and I mean, that's just what it is right now. Like, it gives you that basketball player look, like LeBron James. He's actually worn the woven shorts. Ja Morant. Like, if you know anything about hoop, you know you gotta have the kind of short shorts on. That's just the swag right now, you feel me? But like I said, this is the Light Dew colorway. I will be trying these on, man, and they're so versatile. you can pretty much wear them with anything. Like you can wear it with the white tee fitted hat. You can wear it with like the Nike not dad hats, but it's almost like exercise hats. The options are almost countless, man. This is another pair right here. This is the orange trance, which is, like I said, this has the white drawstrings, which kind of give you a little bit more contrast. But just a quick look at those. You got that same Nike embroidered in white. You get that mesh lining right here. As you can see, I don't know if you need to see that code right there if you want the orange trance, but it's a 871. But you get that same mesh lining. I mean, these you just can't go wrong. Like, I'm telling you, summer 2021 and even spring right now, because they actually have a lot of pastels out, and I'm hoping that they'll bring some more bright colors in during the summer. But right now they're really doing the pastels. But I'm gonna throw these joints on for you. You do get pockets. You get pockets on each side in the front. You know, one on the right, one on the left. I'm also gonna try on the purple. You feel me? Like, I'm coming with the heaters, man. So, you know, make sure you give a like on this video, because I'm coming with the heaters, man. So we got the purple joints right here, man. Same thing. I don't have to get into it, but you can see they have the button, the hole right here, contrast and white on those. Right here we got the this is actually a city edition. So these are woven shorts, but you see how it has like a little pattern. They do come out with different city editions where they'll do like something different with the design. Like if you look on the back on these, actually you get the Nike sign going up. You get the Nike sign going up, and then you have this this little patch kind of stitched on right there. But same thing, you get that mesh lining. And then I also have the green ones to try on for you. I think this is the cactus green. But I mean, it's all flavors. I got all flavors, man. And I'll probably end up doing like a full collection review at some point. You feel me? Maybe right before summer hits. But I do want to let you guys see these. So while they're still in stores, you can get them. Because if you know, you know. These sell out like really quickly, man. So if you see a color you like, don't usually wait for it to go on sale, because it just might not go on sale in your size. You feel me? But yeah, let's get into the on body portion of the video. And that concludes the on-body portion of the video. So talk to me. What did you think about the Nike woven shorts, man? What did you think about these colors? I mean, how did I put it together, man? You let me know, man. Talk to me. You know I talk back, man. What colors do you think that they should add to the Nike woven collection, man? They have at least about 20 colors, you know, since they started these. And I mean, I feel like they're going to add more for the summer, which I will be waiting on, because I gotta grab at least a couple more of these things, man, because all summer long I shall have these on, you feel me? But yeah, let me know, what do you think about the outfits? What do you think about the shorts? Do you have any other woven shorts? If you do, let me know what colors you have. I already know a lot of people are rocking with the black, a lot of people rocking with that red, the royal blue. I mean, like, the colors are pretty much endless as of right now, man. But talk to me. You know I talk back. Make sure you get this video a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You know I'm gonna have more heat coming. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.